And we have breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court, viewers. The Supreme Court has refused to interfere with the NEET PG, and it has dismissed a plea now seeking NEET PG postponement. The Supreme Court has refused to interfere with NEET PG 2024. And if I just could quote what the CJI, Justice Diva Chandrachud, has said. He has said that it's not a world of perfection. The petitioner member had said that what happened in NEET UG has affected NEET PG. Now, the Supreme Court said that we do not know who is behind these petitions. We will not reschedule. There are 2 lakh students, 4 lakh parents. We can't put the future of 2 lakh on the behest of 5 petitioners. That's the big update we have right now, viewers. So it's a major development coming in as far as the NEET PG is concerned. That's the big breaking we have right now. Supreme Court refusing to interfere with the NEET PG 2024. And it was a much awaited hearing, but the SC has refused to hear the plea for the postponement of NEET PG. Supreme Court says that we will not reschedule, that there are 2 lakh students, 4 lakh parents. We cannot put the future of 2 lakh on the behest of 5 petitioners. That's the big update we have right now from the Apex Court. Now, viewers, ladies and gentlemen, the ruckus in Rajya Sabha was at its peak today. It started after the Congress MP Jairam Ramesh rigged up BJP MP Ghanshyam Tiwari's statement of the 30th of July on Mallikarjun Kharge, where he had said that the name Mallikarjun represents Shiv. The BJP MP on the 30th of July, remember, had also gone on to say that Kharge's entry into politics is a result of nepotism. Now, Jairam Ramesh has demanded an apology from Ghanshyam Tiwari after his comments, after which the chair has said that the matter has been sorted between the duo. Take a listen into this entire sequence that unfolded in the parliament.
माननीय एलओपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और घनश्याम तिवारी जी दोनों ने मेरे निवेदन को स्वीकार किया। हमने पूरी चर्चा की, एक-एक शब्द देखा गया और अंत में यह पाया गया कि श्री घनश्याम तिवारी जी ने जो प्रशंसा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की वो श्रेष्ठतम थी और इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती थी। उस समय समझ में नहीं आया। घनश्याम तिवारी हैड एप्रिशिएटेड मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चैम्बर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा।